Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Morning, ma'am.
ಹುಳು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿದೋಗಿದೆ. ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
ನೋಡ್ ತಾನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
ಬೇಡನೋ ಬೇಕೋ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತ್ ಗೀತೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಕುಡಿ.
Ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Good morning, ma'am.
ಇನ್ನ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡು ನೀರು.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very morning. Whose phone is that? Something vibration is coming.
Ma'am. And Hetanshi.
Everyone take your English 1 textbook, children. English 1 textbook.
Page number, ma'am. Page number, ma'am.
Wait. All your friends, let them take textbook first. I'll tell page number. Okay. First, let's do meditation. Everyone sit in a position, children. Everyone sit in position. Ah. Clasp your fingers. Close your eyes. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. By closing your eyes only, just glance what I taught you in the previous class. I taught you adjectives, right? In the same way, you just remember what is the meaning of adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. What and all we studied under noun? We studied about the name of place, person, animal, or thing. Correct? So we can describe all these names, right? Yes, that we call it as an adjectives. Okay. Now everyone open your eyes. Sumant, later you can comb your hairs. What I am teaching now? Unmute from your side and tell me what are the different kinds of adjectives. Sumant, yeah. Unmute from your side now. Sumant, I told you to unmute. Yes, tell me what are the different kinds of adjectives?
Adjective of quality, numeral adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, next
Interrogative adjectives.
interrogative adjectives, adjectives of quality,
That you already said. Possessive adjectives.
adjectives. DIST.
See, while I am doing class, like this combing and don't do all these rubbish things. Okay. This applies to everyone, children. Okay, once again, I will tell the different kinds of adjectives. There are 8 kinds of adjectives. Number 1, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, numeral adjectives, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Do you all remember the examples what I teach you in the last class? See, quality means which can be used to compare the quality of a thing or quality of a person. Okay. Adjectives of quantity, which can be spelled like measuring. Okay. Next, when we come to the numeral adjectives, it can be spelled by telling the numbers. 1 pencil, 2 pencil. Okay. Numeral adjectives. Next is distributive adjectives. Means The adjectives which can be studied under a distributive manner means which denote only each one. Okay, each one of a number means each man has two words. Example, either, book, will, do means which specifies only for a one. Okay, that we call it as a distributive adjectives. Okay, only these four are there. Okay, in depth means the meaning and examples you're going to study. Right, children? After this, next topic today I'm going to teach you is open page number 26, that is adjectives used for comparison. That is the next topic, adjectives used for comparison. Page number 26. Everyone got? Okay. Yes, dear children. See, one example I will tell you. Okay. See, we can compare the number of places or number of things or from one person to the another person, right? See, Ram is taller than Sham. Okay. Means here we are comparing two persons, Ram and Sham. Okay. Ram is taller than Sham. Okay, means it is comparing Ram is tall and Sham is short. Okay. If I compare Ram and Sham with another person, Tony. Okay, now how many persons are there? Two persons. I am comparing Ram with two persons, Sham and Tony. Okay, now Ram is taller than Sham and Tony. Okay. See, for when I am comparing only with a single person, what I told, Ram is tall than Sham. Okay. Now, Ram is taller than Sham and Tony. Means first I used tall, right? Next I used taller. Okay. Now I am comparing Ram with five persons. How many persons are there? Five persons. I am comparing Ram with five persons. Okay. Means here 5% means it is more than 2, right? 5% means I am comparing with more than 2 persons. Okay. Now I will spell as Ram is tallest than these 5 members. Okay. Ram is tallest than these 5 members. Okay. See, what are the different 3 types I spelled? Tall, taller, tallest. Ram is tall than Sham. Okay. Ram is taller than Sham and Tony. Okay. Ram is tallest than all these 5 members. Okay. So, tall, taller, tallest. Okay. So, children, see here, we are comparing one to the another, right? In this, we can study about 3 types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay. Repeat with me: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay. See, if I tell Ram is tall, that is a positive degree. Okay. I am not comparing with any other person. Just I am telling Ram is tall. Okay. Understood? Ram is tall. That is positive degree. Ram is taller than Sham. Means now I am comparing Ram with Sham. Ram is taller than Sham. Okay. Means I am comparing Ram with only one person. Okay. Which we call it as a comparative degree. Okay, I am comparing Ram with Sham. Getting, children? Everyone are understanding the example what I am teaching? If you getting understand, show me a thumb. Mahendra, you didn't understand? Wait, I will give you unmute to you. Yes, now unmute from your side. Mahendra,
No, ma'am.
you didn't have doubt.
No, ma'am.
Then why you show down thumb?
I'm sure dislike, ma'am.
Okay. Mute by yourself, Mahendra. See, children, in positive degree, we will not compare with one thing to another thing or from one person to another person. See, just now I am telling that I will take one example from you guys only. Okay. Sidiksha school is a new school. Okay. Sidiksha school is a new school. That is a positive degree. Okay. I am not comparing Sidiksha with any other school. That is called as positive degree. Okay. See, now if I compare, Sidiksha school is a new school when comparing to Amar Jyoti. Okay. Amar Jyoti is another school. Okay. That is older school than Sidiksha. Okay. See, now I comparing Sidiksha with only Amar Jyoti school. If I compare with another two schools means then it will be two or more than two. Okay. Then it comes under superlative degree. Getting, children? If I compare one with only one person or one thing, then it will be called as comparative degree. If I compare one with more than two, then we call it as a superlative degree. Okay. See, now I will tell Sidiksha school is a new school than Amar Jyoti, Gnana Jyoti, Santan school. Okay. Now how many school I spelled? 3 school. Okay. Sidiksha school is a newer or newest school. If I compare with two, then comparing with one means then we have to tell Sidiksha school is a newer school than Amar Jyoti. Okay. If I comparing with two schools, Sidiksha school is newest school than Amar Jyoti, Gnana Jyoti or Santan school. Okay. Understood, children? See, if I am telling only, once again I will tell, okay. I will give example Ram. Okay. Ram is taller. Ram is tall. Okay. Ram is tall. This is a positive degree. Okay. Now I am comparing this Ram with Sham. Okay. Ram is taller than Sham. I am comparing with only one person. So what I spelled? Taller. See, tall, taller. Okay. If I comparing with more than two means, we call it as a superlative degree. Okay. Ram is taller than, Ram is tallest. Okay. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Ram is tallest than Sham, Tony and other 3 persons. So totally 5 persons. Okay, children. Now open your textbook. In page number 26, making comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, making comparative and superlative degrees. In this, they have given 3 partitions. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Right? So the first one is what they given in first one, that is bright. Correct? Bright. When we comparing to comparative degree for one, then we spell it as brighter. In superlative degree, we'll tell it as brightest. Okay? Bright, brighter, brightest. Varun, sit properly. Charish? I can't see you, Cherish. Keep camera properly. Okay. Next, second one is clean, cleaner, cleanest. Getting children? Understood? How we going to spell positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree? Now, I will ask any one of you, okay, you must unmute and tell. Yes, Cherish, unmute from your side now.
Ma'am.
Yes, Cherish. Continue telling from the third one. Clever,
Clever, cleverer, cleverest.
next.
Greater, greatest. High,
Yes,
highter, highest.
yes,
Kind, kinder,
Six.
kindest.
yes. Wait, Cherish.
Long,
See in these examples,
longer.
we are adding ER in comparative degree, correct? And
Ma'am.
we are adding EST at superlative degree. Okay. See in the brighter, what are the two letters we added at the end? We added ER, that is brighter. Okay. Cleaner, again we added ER. Cleverer, we added ER. Okay. See, when we come to superlative degree, here we added EST at the end of the word. Okay. Brightest. BRIGHT, bright. Okay. EST, these are the three letters which we are adding to make it as a superlative degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Harika, unmute from your side. Niharika,
Ma'am.
yes, you continue telling from kind.
Kind, kinder, kindest. Long,
Ah.
longer, longest.
Ah.
Old, older, oldest.
Narrow, narrower, narrowest. You didn't tell that.
Poor,
Huh.
poorer,
Poorest.
poorest.
Huh.
Shower,
Slow. You telling
slow,
wrong. It is slow, slower,
slow, slower,
slow, slowest,
small,
strong.
small, strong, stronger, strongest. Small, smaller, smallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Short, shortest, shortest.
Okay, mute by yourself. Now, Pratik Raj, unmute. Pratik Raj, now unmute from your side. Yes. See, continue telling in page number 27.
Tall, taller, tallest. Young, younger, youngest.
Yes, continue telling to the second point. Brave,
Brave, braver, bravest. Fun, finest. Large, larger, largest. Noblest. Pale, paler,
palest.
safe,
Spell loudly. Whiter,
wise,
wise, wise, wiser, wisest.
wiser,
जोर के शब्द
Okay, very good. From next time once you have to spell loudly, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now Varsha. Varsha, unmute from your side. See, each and everyone will get a choice, okay? Don't just drop a message. I will unmute for everyone. Varsha?
Wait, ma'am. No bell, no, ma'am.
No, from third point. Where you are? Third one.
Busy.
Busy.
Busy, busiest, busiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest.
Wait, Varsha. See, children, here all the words have end with Y letter. Okay. So, to make this as a comparative, we are adding IER in the place of Y. Okay. To make it as superlative, we add the letters IEST. Okay. Yes. Now, Krutiya, unmute from your side. Varsha, you mute, baby. Krutiya, continue telling from where she stopped. Yes, Krutiya. Make it fast, ma. Heavy, here, heaviest.
Heavier, heaviest. Lucky, luckiest, luckiest. Noisy, noisiest, noisiest. Pretty, prettiest, prettiest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest.
Okay. Next, Varun. Very good. Varun, unmute from your side. Continue telling from the fourth one. See, children, here also we are adding ER and EST. We are adding ER two letters to make it as comparative degree and EST to make it as a superlative degree. Okay. Yes, now start telling, Varun. Krutya, mute by your side. Varun, are you going to tell or shall I give to another one? Okay. Tanmay, unmute from your side. Tanmay.
Yes,
Continue telling.
Bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest.
Okay. Next, Aarti. Aarti, unmute from your side, ma. Continue telling from fifth point. See here, there are few words, children, which we make to as a comparative degree, we add the word more. Okay. If we add most means, then it will be a superlative degree. Okay. See, beautiful means that is a positive degree. Okay. She is beautiful than, okay, one thing I will tell. Sita is beautiful than Gauri. Okay, Sita is beautiful than Gauri. Means here, more beautiful than Gauri means then it will be a comparative. I am comparing only with one person. Sita is beautiful than Gauri. Means here I am comparing with only one person. So to make it as comparative degree, I have to tell Sita is more beautiful than Gauri. Okay. If I compare with more than two persons, Sita is most beautiful than the other. Okay. Sita is most beautiful than the others. Here I use the word most. Okay. There in English, there are few words we use to make it as comparative degree by adding more. Okay. There are few words to make it as superlative degree. We add the word most. Okay. Let's continue telling Arti now.
bigger, biggest,
Careful. No. Careful. More careful. Most careful.
where, ma'am?
Page number 28. Fifth point. At the top.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
More careful, most careful. Congratulations, more
courageous.
courageous,
Courageous.
most courageous.
Ah, delicious.
Delicious, more delicious, most delicious.
Ah,
Difficult, difficult,
difficult.
most difficult.
Ah,
More faithful, most faithful. Honest,
hmm.
more honest, most honest.
Yes, very good. Mute by yourself. No? See, there are few words which are in irregular. Okay. For those words, we cannot add more or most or like er or est. Other than this, we have to use new words to make it as comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. See, for example, bad. For bad, if I need to compare that thing or person with any other one, then I can tell worse to make it as a comparative degree. Worst, that is a superlative degree, means see, one example I will give you. For example, Ram is a worst boy in the class. Ram is worst boy in the class means Ram is the only one person very worst when comparing to all other children. Okay. If I compare Ram with only Sham, means Ram is worse than Sham. That is comparatively. Ram is bad boy. That is a superlatively. Getting children? Understood? Now, Emisha, continue telling from this word. Unmute from your side, Emisha. Yes, continue telling. Bad, worse, worse. Good.
Bad,
Don't drag. Worst.
bad, words. Good,
Ah,
better, best. Little,
ah.
less, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most.
Okay, very good. Mute by yourself. See, children, take pencil. Take pencil. See, in the exercise, see, fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjectives in the brackets. Ayush is dash than Abhay. So they given word strong. Okay. We have to make this word, whether it may be a superlative degree or comparative degree, that thing we have to identify and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So here Ayush is comparing with Abhay. So there is only one person, Ayush, comparing with Abhay. Right. So what are the two letters we need to add with? Yes, that is stronger. Ayush is stronger than Abhay. Okay. Next, second one. The dog is the dash animal. The word they given is faithful. Okay. So the dog is the most faithful animal. Okay. We need to add the other word is most faithful animal. Okay. Next, third one. The black box is dash than the white box. So we are comparing one thing with the other one. Black box is dash than the white box. The word given is heavy. What the two letters we have to add here? Heavy, heavier. Okay. Heavier. Heavier. See children, like this, you have to make all these 30 blanks. Okay. You have to write. This is homework for you. Okay. Correct answers tomorrow I will send. First, you children try to write. Okay. So in exercise E, page number 29. In this, write the comparative and superlative forms of the following adjectives. So they have given the positive degree adjectives. We should make it conversion of comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. So attractive. Comparative degree is more attractive. Okay, you write the word more. More attractive. Superlative degree is most attractive. More attractive and most attractive. Next, for second one, blue. Bluer. B-L-U-E-R. Bluer. Bluest. B-L-U-E-S-T. Next, bold. Bolder. Boldest. Broad. Broader. Broadest. Okay, children, like this, you have to fill all this comparative degree and superlative degree. These 2 pages are for your homework. Okay. See, there are 2 minutes left. Once I will tell the answer, just listen. Okay. Fifth one in practice D, Delhi is dash than Mumbai. Delhi is hotter than Mumbai. Fifth one, see, no need to write. Just listen what I tell the answer. Okay. Then you write it. A pig is fatter than a dog. Anjali is the prettiest girl in the school. Kolkata is the largest city of India. The girl is thinner than the boy. The second exercise is more difficult than the first. A sofa is more comfortable than a bench. Manav is an intelligent boy. She is the most careless girl in the class. Palak's marks are the best in the whole class. See here the word good is there. To make it comparative, we make it as a superlative degree, we make it as a best. Okay, for comparative means we used to write better. Good, better, best. Next 14th one, the cat is the lazy of all animals. That is superlative degree, laziest. The baby looked more cheerful today. Qutub Minar is taller than any other tower. Shabnam is the luckiest girl in the class. See here we use the word luckiest. Class means they are comparing to more than 2 persons in the class. So we use luckiest. He looked dash yesterday. He looked pale yesterday. Understood, children? Like this, you have to fill all those blanks. Once again, I will tell this E exercise part. Okay. Deep, deeper, deepest. Delicate, more delicate, most delicate. Fair, fairer, fairest. Fires, more fires, most fires. Greedy, greedier, greediest. This is in page number 30. Okay. Harsh, more harsh and most harsh. Low, lower, lowest. Yes, Krutia, you having doubt? Yes, tell me. It is in unmute.